This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, bigger selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Guys, it is July 17th, 2018. This one here I got a call for. Lady's got some hot and cold water faucets that aren't really getting a good flow. She's complaining about the flow, and she said the kitchen sink cold and the bathroom hot and cold, both are slow. So she said the second floor seemed to be okay. And the tub's okay. Hot and cold on the tub is okay, so go check it out. Sometimes it's in the faucet lines or in the faucet or in the shutoffs. There's the blockages. Try to get you some shots. See what we can do for the lady. So I'm cold. Hot one getting a good flow. It's cold. It's probably in that shutoff right there that's bad. Well, that flex going up maybe. We get it disconnected. Let's see if we get any flow through that. Alright, we're getting a decent flow, so it's up in the faucet. It's up in the faucet. Not good, Mama. Not good. See all that cholesterol in there? That's not good. It's probably gonna need a new faucet too. Yeah, I'll show you all the cholesterol in this thing. It's really bad. Yeah. Well, what happens is it gets up inside the faucet, yeah, and it blocks it. Let me show you. Look inside. Look inside the end of that thing. Can you see it? Yep. It's that white, yep, cholesterol type of stuff that gets in the faucet, yep, and you can't get it out. So I'm putting a new hose on there. We're gonna check the spray, and if I'm getting good water to the faucet, and then it's up in the faucet area, we're gonna need to change that. Okay. Sometimes it's right inside the shutoffs, but I don't think that's the case here. All right, we're getting a good flow now. We'll try it again. Alright, I got the new one in. We'll try. If it's still an issue, we're going to need to get another faucet for her. Well, the other one was definitely blocked. You can tell this is an older faucet. It's not that new. Yeah, it's still an issue. See it? So it's in the faucet. You can tell that this has already been.
I can see it, yeah.
So this is no spring chicken here.
Yeah.
So we got water going to a good flow of water going to the faucet, but it's on the cold side, so
yeah.
Probably in this faucet too. We'll take it apart and put a hose on here and see if we're getting a flow. Usually when it's both hot and cold, it's in the faucet. We'll check it. Might be in the shutoffs. Those supplies are built into the faucet. Yeah, could be the supply. Look at that. Not a good flow there. Alright, that one's going to be changed. Could be in a shutoff, so it's an issue. Same thing. We ain't getting a good flow here, so I gotta shut the water off and cut them out. Put new ones in. I don't know if you remember, but this was the cellar that was flooded because of the pumps. Cut that thing out, see what it looks like. Water's off, so shouldn't be an issue. Cut it off. Wow. There's the hot. I mean, it's pretty bad. Wow. That's what it should look like. We'll solder some new ones on here, that's all. Make sure it's clean good. I did clean the valves already, so we should be good with that. I just open them up all the way. Crack this right here to bleed the hot water down here so I could solder upstairs. What's that urine? I had cracked it. Alright. See if it works. I did flush the toilet upstairs, so. That's a little better flow right there. A lot better. Just make sure it's not leaking. Yeah, it looks good.